What's going on today, guys? Welcome to the fastest video on YouTube on how to delete the rear windshield wiper on your 350Z. Here is what you will need: a 12mm socket, a 10mm socket, something to pry your plastic off the rear hatch, possibly a flathead screwdriver, and a plug for where the rear wiper goes. I bought that one off Amazon. Picture right here. Let's get started. First things first, pop the cover. 12mm socket. If you can't pull the wiper straight off, you just thread it off. Keep your hand between the wiper and the paint, don't scratch your car. And when you got it high enough, just pop it off. Next, use your plastic tool, pop off this. No screws on the back plastic, just retainer clips. Just be careful when you're pulling down not to break any. Next, you'll disconnect the wiper motor, so just stick the flathead screwdriver in and pull that out. Pop the wire harness off the motor so that that's not hanging on there. Use the needle nose for that. Next, pop the three 10mm bolts. Once the 10mm bolts are out, pop the motor, pop the rubber grommet, drop in your Superfly Amazon part. Then carefully put the back on and use the supplied 10mm nut to tighten it down. Tighten it down with your 10mm socket, not too tight. I'll do this off camera so I get it right, but go ahead and zip tie that wiring harness so it's up and out of the way. Go ahead and trim that too. It looks like my car already had it removed, but factory does come with a little weight right here. It's to help the trunk go down. A lot of people remove it because the springs on the hatch go weak after a while, so make up your mind if you want to remove this or not. Mine is removed. This is also a good time to make sure your latch is tight. Sometimes they get loose and rattle. Snap your plastics back in place. Give her a quick wipe with a microfiber, and you, my friend, now have one sick looking rear hatch. It also weighs less. Alright guys, that'll do it for today's video. Thank you for watching the fastest video on YouTube on how to delete the rear wiper on the 350Z. You stay classy. And thanks for stopping by. But mostly just stay classy.